In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for the OKX cryptocurrency exchange. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created your account and be ready to start trading. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the website okx.com. This will take you to the home page of the OKX exchange, where you will find the options necessary to create an account. Once the homepage loads, look for the button labeled Sign Up. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will direct you to the registration page. On the registration page, you will see a drop-down menu to select your country. Choose your country from the list provided. This is important as it may affect your account settings and compliance with local regulations. After selecting your country, proceed to check the box that indicates you agree to the terms and conditions of OKX. Following this, click on the button labeled Create Account. Completing this step initiates the account creation process. Next, you will be prompted to select your account type, choose the type that best suits your needs, and then click Next. This step helps tailor your account settings according to your trading preferences. At this point, you will need to provide some personal information, enter your email address and mobile number in the designated fields. Create a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols, ensuring it is at least 8 characters long. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in the optional field provided. Once you have filled in your information, OKX will send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Check your email or SMS for this code and enter it in the specified field on the registration page. Additionally, make sure to agree to OKX's terms of use and privacy by checking the relevant box. Finally, click the sign up or next button to complete the registration process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.